M2X have a structure closely related to that of fluoride structure. What is a fluoride structure? It is CAF2, that is AB2 type. That is, the ratio is 1:2. That is, the coordination numbers are 4:8. That is, it is cubic closed packed. That is the BCC structure. Now, it is actually reverse of fluoride structure. So, this is the fluoride structure, and M2X would be what? It would be anti-fluoride. Right? And hence called anti-fluoride structure. In such a structure, what happens now? Say for example, it is Na2O. Right? Or what happens? We have got the alkyl oxides, the Na2O or potassium oxide or rubidium oxide. Smaller cations occupy the position of fluoride ions and larger anions occupy the position of calcium ions. Now, in the fluoride structure, students, which is bigger in size? Calcium. Which is the bigger one? It is calcium. Ca2 plus is bigger and is forming the packing. And your F minus is smaller. Right? And so it is present in voids. Right? Now in Na2O type, which is bigger? Sodium or oxygen, which is the bigger one, which will be forming the packing. Now in this case, your which is the bigger one over here? Bigger one. The oxide ion is the bigger one, O2 minus. O2 minus is the bigger one, right? And your sodium is the smaller one. So what will happen? Oxide ion will form the packing and Na plus will be present in the void. Right? So which will take up the position of calcium over there? Oxide ion. Now, smaller cations occupy the position of fluoride ions and larger anions occupy the position of calcium ions. True. Now, larger cations occupy the position of fluoride ions and smaller anions that of the calcium ions. This is false. Each fluoride is surrounded by 4 Ca2 plus in tetrahedral arrangement. Is it the thing? Each fluoride is surrounded by 4, right? But it is not tetrahedral. It is octahedral arrangement, right? Fluoride ions occupy all the octahedral voids. Will they occupy all? Had they been occupying all the octahedral voids, they would have been, the formula would have been CAF. Right? They are occupying all the tetrahedral voids. I think they are forming tetrahedral voids. Sorry, students. So they should be forming, they should be present in all the tetrahedral voids. Right? So, this is not forming the tetrahedral arrangement. It is right, I suppose. The third one. Each fluoride is surrounded by 4 calcium ions. See, the coordination number of fluoride is 4. Right. So this should be the thing. Fluoride ions are present in the tetrahedral voids, then only the formula will become CaF2. So for the for this particular, all the four options 2 are the correct ones. Right? Each fluoride is surrounded by 4 Ca plus ions in tetrahedral arrangement, as the fluorides are present in the tetrahedral voids.